Hello YouTubers, you're watching Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2012 Nissan Murano, and we will change the cabin air filter on this car. So we'll just get under the glove box. See, there is this lever. You pull it up and remove the cover. You can see there is the tooth at the top, so when we put it back we need to make sure that it latches. And then we will pull the filter out, probably as in other. Actually, this one is just jumping all over the place over there, and there's tons of crap is coming out. Holy moly, this is a bad filter. We'll need to vacuum. Oh, I don't think it's been replaced ever. And just take a look. Just disgusting. Alright, here's the new filter. One thing you want to pay attention that the arrow is pointing towards the cab. Then you want to grab this like this, because that opening where the filter goes is smaller than this filter, and you push it in and go inside. So you press it in and then let it go. Might be tricky to do first time. And I'll try to point my camera so you can see something. Okay, I'll try to get it in. I know that the angle is not the best and you probably won't see much, but as I mentioned before, the trick is to make this go. And then you push it in. So one side is in, and then you do the other one. Then you just let it expand. So I'm not sure if you saw anything